Hello YouTubers, Justin again, coming back here with 3 videos tonight. All of them are going to be 1-box breaks. I got 2 boxes of 2011 Bowman Chrome and 1 box of 2011 Bowman Draft. Going to bust them all on camera. Before I start with the draft though, I also did 1 box of Bowman Chrome at the store today. Turned out to be pretty weak. The 3 best cards were a Bryce Harper Bowman Chrome base, Brett Lawrie Bowman Chrome base, and a Garrett Gold first Bowman Chrome auto. So didn't even get any color. I think I had 1 numbered refractor. I don't remember what the name was of the player, so hopefully do a little better in these breaks. Let's start with the draft tonight. See if I can keep these videos under 10 minutes, even though I should probably be doing them in 5. So Bowman Draft, 24 packs, 7 cards per pack, 1 autograph per box. Not really looking for anybody. Well, I'm looking for a top 10 draft pick auto here for once. I've busted like 4 or 5 boxes so far this past year, and all the hits have been like of compensation draft picks, so hopefully we do pretty well this time. So here we go. I'm not going to run through every single card, but anything notable. Eric Fryer Chrome, Archie Bradley first Bowman Chrome base. Mark Hamilton Chrome rookie, Riley Unrain Bowman Chrome, Bichette Bundy Baez, Dirks Gomes, DJ Lamar rookie Cubs, Blake Snell Bowman Chrome, Spangenberg, Geyer, Graver, Thompson. White, Anthony Rizzo, Chrome rookie, CJ McElroy, Chrome refractor. Refractors in this product are not numbered, unlike the Chrome and base Bowman. I actually just learned today that Bowman Chrome refractors are numbered to 500, so I had to go back through all my packs to make sure what I did get. Vogelbach, McGrove, Quackenbach. Pistano, Carpenter, Aroydis Vizcaino, rookie, Mason Hope, base. Chisenhall, Armstrong, first Bowman Chrome, again, Hanger, Maynard. Judy, Wellen, Albacrack, I don't know. Tigers, Chrome rookie, Fulmer, Hauser, Walker. Thames, Sosa, Welland, Gamache, Panic, just base. Josh Judy, Chrome, Rick Anton, base. Frazier, Houst, Brendan Martin. Got a blue border. Looks like it's just gonna be a base. Brendan Martin, blue bordered. First Bowman card, numbered 2, $4.99. usually one blue border and one refractor version I get in every box. Henderson Alvarez, PC. Dom Nunez, Chrome, USA. Halfway through the box, still looking for the auto. Juan Cisco, Chrome rookie. Gayland. Trevor Bauer, Vogel, Lindor. I'm going to switch these around. Maybe they'll open the right way. Or maybe the cards will come out the right way. That's too bad. Limbier, Martinez, Alex Presley, Josh Misgrove, Chrome Refractor. Ripping through these packs. Eric Sogard, Chrome rookie. Bohr, just base. Brendan Crawford. Dan Vogelbach, auto for the Cubs. First Bowman card. Springer, Clifton, Hicks. Got a blue refractor in here. Jose Altuve, Chiswick. Riley Unruh, USA, Bowman Chrome, blue refractor, number 2, 199. Base. Oh, back destruction. Matt Young, rookie refractor. Hudson Boyd, Harris, Gil Martin, Nunez, base. Cosmos, Steven Farino, USA Chrome. Base. Presley, Billings, Blackman, Reynolds, Lamb, and Lynch, Bradley. 3 packs left. Perez, Johnson, Vinny Pistano, Chrome Refractor rookie. Base. Cole Mentor, David Cooper, Chrome rookie. Justin James, Chrome. Guerrero, Soptic. Last pack. Seager, Lynn, Jose Cita, Nick Kifo, Chrome, Starling, Matuk, School. So, pretty dull box. 3 cards of notable. Brendan Martin, first Bowman card, blue border, number 2, 499. Riley Unruh, USA, Bowman Chrome, blue refractor, number 2, 199. And a Dan Vogelbach auto for the Cubs, first Bowman card. And that is it. Thanks for watching, guys.